Oh. Come on, boy. Help me, Mom. Help me, Mom. Very strange.
Charlse, sir.
Yes.
Sir, the cobwebs on the door shows that no one has been living here for at least 1 month.
Does it sound strange?
My dear, we're very sorry about your wife's death. It came to all of us as a rude shock, a very big shock indeed. We were worried about you, but thank God here you are. We couldn't get in touch with you because we hadn't the facilities for doing that. That's one thing that happened. Otherwise, you could have had it at the time it happened.
Yeah, I know. I was in distant land. We were on peace mission. So I've been posted from one African country where there was chaos to another one. In fact, I finally ended up at a little place called Tanganyika.
Oh, Tanganyika?
Yeah, and the death toll was so high there that they barred us from communicating with any of our relatives. You know? That's why you couldn't hear from me. But that's by the way. God give her the ticket. So rest in peace. She was a nice woman to me.
Yes.
By the way, what about my son, Akabo?
Oh, Aka? Shortly after the death of your wife and the burial too, my brother-in-law came in to see us. The businessman at Onojie. Then Akabo insisted on following him back to the city to learn a trade. Yes.
No, wait a minute. Wait a minute. To learn what?
To learn a trade.
No, you don't get me. I mean my own son, Akabo, my son. That's what I'm saying, not...
I think we're saying the same thing.
That he went to learn a trade?
Yes.
My son?
Yes.
The son of a major... I mean... He's supposed to be in school.
Yes, definitely. But if you look at it properly, you will discover that learning a trade is good too. Alright? Because when he is settled by his master, then he'll be less dependent on you. I don't know whether you've seen it that way.
Is it my boy?
Permission to return to base, sir.
Come. My boy, come. You know something that you are a smart boy, but smartness alone can make you a good soldier. You have had intelligence. See, when we are young like you, we had very turbulent times, very harsh times. But we weathered the storm and then we became very senior officers. So do that, my dear. Perseverance, adherence to training, that's all. You could even retire as a big officer than myself. And then we call that retired major general. Hold on.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
That's my boy. I remember when I was a soldier. 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 Yeah.
Good evening.
Yes, that's that. You are not a visitor in the house. No? So how are you? Oh yes, my dear. How are you doing? Fine. I was going through reminiscences, you know.
I'm just coming back from Pastor's house, so I decided to come and see you and know how you're faring.
I like that. You and your pastoral inclinations, you know. That's what we call ecclesiastical exactitude, eh? Oh, yes, my dear.
Yes. You have really not changed. You are still living a Spartan life.
Yes, my dear.
I know the military must have made it even greater.
Yes, of course. There's this normal attachment to sentiments, even in the military. Che Guevara was a very powerful warlord. He said the same thing. Machiavellian tactics, you know. You know?
Well,
they say beauty is in the eyes of the beholder.
Yes. Indeed, Major. It is very disheartening, you see, to hear about the sudden death of your wife, Chioma. Please accept my condolences.
I'm not a kid, my dear. It's a route. We don't have to take that same route, you know. Yeah. It depends on circumstances, you know.
Oh, yes, you are right. You are really right. In fact, we all are ultimately dead men.
Latently so.
You see, it's a question of when and how.
And where.
Where.
That's the element of latency.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, that's it.
You see, Major,
yeah.
I have to be going.
Yeah, my dear.
It's quite evening now. I just come to see you.
There was this situation in old Roman Empire, you know, when they say Ave Imperator.
Akabo, what are you doing?
Sir, I'm just about to wash the car.
Akabo, must it take you eternity to wash this car?
Sir, I went to the toilet.
Akabo, pity yourself. Have mercy on yourself. Are you not a human being? Huh? By the way, have you bought what I asked you to buy?
Yes, sir.
It's alright. Go inside and tell Julie to bring those clothes you brought from Raglina right inside my room.
Yes.
Come back. You don't need to worry yourself. Let me do it myself. I'll go and tell her.
Okay, sir.
They'll be fast in washing this car.
I will, sir. This one is Sony, original. Yeah? He has all these accessories, you know, that and double key. And this one is 15,000.
What about the other one?
This one is so. It's equally good though, but this one is an original. This one I can compare. I can give you this one 12.
Let me take this one for 6,000 naira.
What are you talking? Listen, it's still video, it's not VCD, unless it's VCD what?
Leave it 6,000. I'm your customer.
Let me give this one 10,000. Just for you. I'm going to give you 10,000. This thing is there, the cable is double cable. The remote, everything is inside it. And it has a testing battery.
Take this 10,000 naira. Write my receipt.
Okay. Baby girl, I like you, you're a fine girl. See, I come here as if you do not smile. You know, a very, very fine girl. You know, that's exactly the reason why I have to give you this. Normally, if you go to this very shade, nobody will do this.
You would have sold this 6,000 naira for me.
No, don't worry. See, do you normally go out? Look at somebody just take you out.
Yes, but that would be weekends.
Hey, weekend is good now because if I work days on weekend, I can come there. Where do you live?
Transico.
Transico. Okay, you have a phone?
Yes, I
I'll
do.
take your phone number. What's that your name?
Perpetua.
Why did they give you Perpetua? Anybody that bears perpetuates, either you're preparing your husband or you're preparing your husband. That's how
it's not like that.
They should have given you Monica or this.
You can call me Monica, but don't call me
I baptize you. Listen to me, Monica for today. What's your phone number?
070
070
36 28.
Pasa? Pasaro! Why are you like this? Have you eaten today at all?
I've not eaten. Even the usual bread and I can't afford it. My guy collected all the money in the locker. What do I do? I don't have any money to pay.
Pasa, you saw. How can you be complaining of this in Ghana? Your guy collected it for what? Pasa, they call you Pasare, Pasazero. That's not how to do. How many years have you stayed with this man? No, tell me.
I've stayed 18 years.
Get it?
18
It's a
years.
lie.
I've stayed 18 years.
Pasa, 18 years, and they're talking about your common food.
What do I do?
You won't tell. How can you do that kind of thing? You're the manager of this very place. Listen, even the number of years they say I'm going to stay, I will not stay. Pasa. Pasa, begin to settle yourself now. If you are waiting, the man will have this charm on you. Is it your father?
No,
So why would you stay that number of years and they are still talking about it?
No, the thing is, when I came to live in Caesar, I was a younger man. And I've stayed 18 years, like I told you. He said he would settle me. You know, I'm still waiting for him to settle me. He said I'm not man enough to handle my own business.
Don't wait! Settle yourself.
How do I settle myself?
Listen, you're not the manager here. You sell all these things. Everything is in your hand. How do you think I'm living big? Yeah, I'll do pigs.
Talking sense.
What for this man at that 18 years? Are you a slave?
Hey.
What?
Julie, why are you always doing this? Why are you harsh now? Smile for me. Somebody who likes you, a man who likes you, is interested in you. Each time you're frowning.
What do you mean by that?
Julie, you know I like you. In fact, I'm almost loving you now. If you don't know. In fact, I will, from now on, after the love now, I begin to die for you.
Really?
Yes.
If you don't want to, then maybe I'll report you to my sister.
For what now? No, Julie, for what? No, take a look at me. Am I not man enough? Can't I even impregnate you now? To tell you that I'm a man enough. Julie, I love you so. Even that I was telling you the other day. You see that in me?
Don't touch me.
I want to tell you that I can draw this thing that is
Don't
here.
touch me. What's your problem?
Okay, I know your problem. I know your problem, Julie. Because I haven't done it before doesn't mean that it's not in my mind. But I take this very well. It's 500. Okay. At 20 to eat. Julie, this is all the money in my pocket I'm giving to you and you're doing the guy.
Julie, it's fine. Can you imagine me, Julie? Just take a good look at yourself. Look at yourself. You think it's because of those small money you normally steal from shop? You can come here and call me, touch me, talk to me the way you like.
Julie, they put me for ground, bro. I don't like it. In a woman, I don't like it.
Okay, don't worry. Let me find you some money.
Find you some blue cash. Julie, stop this guy that you're doing. Stop this anger.
This is 2,000 naira. Keep it.
Julie, if you don't go, Julie, I started moving around. Which man gave you this? Julie, I'm jealous. So. I'm a new girl now.
Major, my very good friend. This is Kola.
I know.
Manas in Nigeria, there are no Igbo.
That was before we speak to English.
I see no one with the Lord you with them.
Igbo, excuse me. I pledge to Nigeria, my country, to be faithful, loyal, and honest. To serve Nigeria with all my
Major, hold on. When you have Kola North, you don't say any other thing.
No. You are wrong there. No. As a true citizen of this country, you have to recite your pledge before any official function. Just like that. That's it.
That sounds like blasphemy.
But we will. Our ancestors were not vagabonds. No. This is their homeland. Get me right, I am not disparaging our culture. I'm not, I think crazy about it.
Major, I think you have a point there. I know you are a learned person, but let's start with this kola nut. If I na akoko na ofodi ogunogo ndo arisi ike organiru ikirikita ọba mama na atọ yoyo tupu enye anyị nwa ọma ndị anyị ụmụ na amụ ọkụ nwa nke ise bụrụ na ga-enye anyị ife eji enye ndụ anyị.
Hello? Hello, hey! Hello, come. Double up. Come on.
How are you?
You say?
How are you?
You are a mad man. You are asking Jupiter, how are you? All right. What are you doing on this land?
What does it look like I'm doing there?
You have not answered my question, mister. I say, what are you doing on my land?
Well, I think your brother Wakwe should be in a better position to answer you that question.
My friend, I don't waste words. Many words do not fill a basket. I don't care what transpired between you and Wakwe, your so-called my own brother. What do you mean about it? I mean, what are you doing on my land?
But you should know that Wakwe sold this land to me.
Shut up! You are a very foolish fool. Someone sold you a virgin land, you didn't even ask of authenticity, and you wasted your money? You put your money in a hole? You put water, you pour water in a basket? Hey, come on. I want you out of this land. If I catch you here again, I will descend on you like all the devils in hell. I will squeeze you into smithereens.
Is that a threat?
God forbid. I'm a soldier, my dear. War-tried soldier. Not an academic soldier. We don't believe in threats. We go into realistic realities. If I see you here again, my brother, you won't even know the epitaph on your grave. Now get out. If I drive this car from here and I come back and see you here, you are a dead carcass. I said, get out! Get out! Better. I sold you a whole virgin land like this, with palm trees, and you bought a cankerworm. I'm not going to drop you, just find your way out. Get out. One cassava stem is missing. Where's the idiot? He's gone.
One word is missing. Did you plant a cassava or I?
You're just talking. You have not answered my question. Did you sell my land by the Onojie to Mazia Zaka? That is the question.
I said, yes.
You did what?
Let's go in so that I can explain to you.
No. Don't say that to me. I'm not going anywhere. If there's any explanation to be done, do it here. Huh?
If that is the way you want it. It was in that year that your late wife, Obioma, became seriously ill, that I sold the land. And of course it was against my wish to do so. But I needed the money to take care of her and your son, Akabog. And that's why I sold the land.
I see. That was why I sold the land. Thank you very much. I thank you for your concern over the welfare of my late wife and my son Akabog while I was away. But throughout your discussion over the predicament you went through, you did not mention to me whether you sold any of your personal property or your inheritance. So why must you sell mine?
Look, I tell you this.
No, don't tell me that. I mean, you sold. Listen. The only way out is this. Go and sort yourself out with Azaka. Tell him I don't want to see him on that land anymore. If I set my eyes on him, then if I see not it.
I've suffered in this house. Look at how these people are enjoying themselves while I'm suffering. They don't even care to know whether I've eaten or not. Look at the one who calls himself my yoga, who may even be my junior. That the way he's treating me. They don't even want to look my way. God, please change this my position.
Akabo.
Okay.
What are you doing there?
Okay, I'm trying to dust this place. It's very dusty. Leave the room.
Go to your room. Tomorrow is weekend. You can do that before you go to shop.
Okay,
I said go to your room.
I should go to my room?
Yeah.
Okay, I want to see if I can...
go to your room.
Okay, sir.
It's alright. I know you've been needing some money. Take this. This is 10,000. Manage it.
Thanks.
I'll see when I come back.
Okay.
Baby Diego. How far?
Aka, what is it again? Huh?
Now relax now. Cool down for me now, Julie. Why are you harsh? Cool down for Jesus. Look, you're my personal person. You know.
As you can see, I am very busy and I don't think I need any disturbance this morning.
Julie, I bought you something you cannot refuse.
I thought I've told you to stop giving me money and gifts. Or are you deaf?
Leave that thing. Julie, this is not just ordinary gift. This is something I know when you test it. Ice cream, the same color with yours. You and this ice cream, the same color. And as you keep taking this ice cream, your color will be shining, sparking. Is it? Julie, is it my ice cream that you threw away? My hard-earned money. Don't you know that's money? Huh?
Come. Which money of yours are you even talking about? Oh, you think I don't know how you used to steal money from shop?
Don't even go there, Julie. Because I know how you make your own money. I know how you make your money and who gives you money around. Relax this thing.
Get out, pour it on you.
Try it now. I'll go and open this. Tell everybody what I saw. What do you mean? Look, let me tell you. Okunaga wala this year.
Akabo!
Madam,
What are you doing there?
it's the flower on Uju's hand. I want to see, I like the way they draw it and I want to plant flower somewhere else.
Akabogo.
Madam.
Oh, you want to plant flower? Let's see. Come on, do something for me. I said follow me.
Hey, Aka. You see this girl that I met yesterday? Hi! Clean, sharp, girl. Nah, one not together.
You don't know.
Hi! If you see her, you know that God created her on a Sunday. Beautiful girl.
You like the girl?
I tried though, but if you see the way the girl washed me, she looked at me as if I'm worth nothing. Lord, I've not lost hope. I'm still trying my luck.
Forget your hope. But hope for what?
What do you mean? It will work out.
You have to be handsome.
But I'm handsome, I'm packaged. I am handsome, you know it. Eh?
Listen, Pastor, you are not handsome. Everyone know that when they say you are handsome. Handsome means hand, something in hand. Goodie.
Money.
What are you saying?
No wonder. Everything is not money. You understand? It's not money. I must not have money. I look good.
Pastor, don't encourage yourself. Money is something. Will the guy hit you? You need something in the back of your back pocket. That's all. When Oyibo said somebody is handsome, they're not making a mistake. And they brought it in and they put it for men. Men has to be hand, something in hand.
You have a point here.
Woody, that is handsome.
If you see the way she looked at me as if I'm a pack of shit, I was like, I'll go back. I'll start my life.
Pastor, you're a pack of shit.
Stop that.
You are a pack of shit now until
don't worry.
You become handsome.
Until you see the girl. Hey.
Hello, my boy. Hey, come on, stop that caricature. What do you mean? Who am I greeting? Are you a soldier? What do you want? Any problem?
Sir. You know, if I don't greet now, you say I did not salute. I don't know. Well, that's not why I'm here. I was coming from EKG.
Therefore?
So as I was passing by that piece of land by Onojie, I saw Manzi Azaka farming. I said, what is happening here? Because as a little boy, my father told me that that piece of land belonged to you. I said, when did Major sell this land to Chief Azaka?
Yeah. I didn't sell any land to nobody.
You mean you did not sell the land to him?
Why should I even sell the land?
If you are sure you did not sell that land to him, you must take action immediately.
Of course.
If you see the kind of crops he's planting there, they are not the type that he will harvest in the next 20 years.
Jesus is Lord.
Palm trees, nkwenu, guava, mango.
On that land?
Those kind of crops that will take him like 40 years.
This buffoon wants to defy me, My boy, you have done the very best you could do.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yes, my dear. You can go.
You know, I said, since it's almost very difficult to please you, let me be patronizing some of this information.
Yes, you have done it well now.
Thank you very much, sir.
For the first time in recent times, you are useful.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, my dear.
Thank you, sir.
You can go,
I should go?
Yes, my dear. Hi, just imagine.
So, you mean I should be going up to my house?
No, to my own house.
Okay. I was wondering, I don't know, we know.
Fall out!
This is 22, whether they have paid gratuity.
Fall out!
Sorry, sir.
Gratuity?
I should just go like that?
Yes, just go like that.
No problem.
Oh, yeah. I know what to do. 6433, yes. Aha! Hello, boy. Yeah, of course, the major. Yeah, my boy. Distress, distress call. Yes. Come here with 2 or 3 boys, you know. Yes. No, not armed. Just come. Yes. Now. Yes, my boy. Thank you. Fall out. Thank you. Hey, when the useless man is moving towards where dance is hot and he has one leg, he wants to hop. Azaka, I will turn you to Adaka. You don't know me. Fall out. That is it, boys. You will lead them to that man's place. I want to bring him here to me. Soldiers! Sir! You go and get that man here. I don't want him dead, I want him alive. Right? All right, sir. That's my khaki. Yes. Sure, sir. Go with the car.
All right, sir.
My boy, lead them.
You know that these people have training. I mean, But just allow them to go and do this operation.
Boy, no, you are covered. No, I'm here. You are covered. Fear no foe.
Covered. Can't cover. When they are gone now, Chief Azaka will be on my neck.
Who is he? Who is he?
Ah.
Infinitesimal.
Oh.
Move!
Hey.
Ah.
I know what you be worried about. Not only this is not that day. They sleep even I don't go enter trouble.
Put him in the boot. My God, this is how you have been brought down to. I thought you were smart or tough.
Please, Major, please. I beg you in the name of God. In this world, this life, or in the next, I will never defy you. In fact, I will never venture into that land.
Shut up there! I warned you. Yes, Yet you chose to defy me.
I'm sorry. I swear to God, I will never defy you again. Please.
Keep quiet, my friend. You have no choice.
Yes, sir.
But to do what I say you should do.
Yes, sir.
Let this be the last time you step on that land. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Stand up, dummy. Now get up. Bukasa. Before I kill you. Out. It is a foolish man who will stand before a moving train. Boys! Sir! That was well done. Cleverly done. Not much damage. But I'm alright. I'm alright inside, you know. Well, let's see. Use this for fuel. That's it. Shut up! Go back. Don't break. Back. Thank you. Alright, sir.
You boys the other day about playing cards in the shop. Eh? You boys are very, very stupid though. So, if we did not come back here after our meeting, this is how you boys would have spent the whole day playing cards. Eh? Sasa, how many customers have you brought our shop today?
I didn't see anybody. I just this morning. I didn't see anybody.
You see? You see it now? Come on, go to the shop. Enter the shop.
And you, Akabo?
Sir?
What have you been doing since morning I left you?
Sir, I've done quite a lot too. Immediately we left, I went to that market and I ate a plate of, with my money, I ate a plate of rice. Then when I came back, I went to the toilet. Then somebody came and says, your brother, as he needed water, so I went to that place and I bought pure water for him. I came back and me and Masa we conversed a bit.
Just listen to yourself. Can you hear yourself, Akabo? Can you hear yourself? Akabo.
Sir?
Akabo.
Sir?
How many times did I call you?
Sir, I did not count.
You did not count. Come on, get inside his shop.
Asa, how far?
I'm not fine.
My guy is too wicked, too harsh. You know he instructed the wife not to give me food because of what happened yesterday. Can you imagine?
Basa, your Oga is a pastor compared to my Oga. Huh? That man is wickedness that they tied in a bundle. My Oga. Very wicked. Your Oga only related you food. At least he still talk to you. This man will accuse you of stealing, accuse you of anything that you haven't even done. But soon, I will deal with that man.
What can you do?
By the time I finish with him, you people will be surprised.
Aka, what can you do?
Look, if I set this, this is it.
Hey! Are you serious?
Have I ever told you anything before?
Hey! Come on.
Relax. You know how to deal with different people. If you do not deal with them, okay. When we finish, you come back.
Akabo, why are you operating this system?
They are playing match.
Are you mad?
Arsenal and
you want to damage it?
Okay, how can I damage it? Have I damaged the other ones in the show?
My friend, will you drop that thing, my friend?
Okay, allow me to give me freedom with this. The way you people are doing me, it's no longer going to happen because I've won. You know I hold you. You know something I have.
Hold who? Hold who? Don't say that again.
Okay, I want to madam. I want to madam.
Do you have any evidence? Go and tell her now. Go.
Okay, let me be honest with you. You see that day, I have evidence. I recorded you.
My friend, go and sit down. Recorded what?
Oh, you're doubting it? Let me tell you what happened. Okay, that very day, as I was passing that room, I noticed that I had the noise, and I knew you were there. I listened, and the door was locked. So I went to see if I can get my phone to record the noise. I went to get my phone. On coming back, lo and behold, the door was ajar. So I took some photographs. I took some photographs of you, and actually, I have evidence, okay? I have evidence. Oh, you're doubting it? Why do you think I no longer have that phone? The green phone. Since when? I went and kept it somewhere. So any day you do back up, I'll go and bring it and show it to madam. And even show it to everybody. So if you don't treat me like a human being here, okay, I'm going to show it to everybody. Starting from Madam. And I was scatter your family. I run them home. Just for me to watch Arsenal and the Premier League. Why is Chelsea doing this now?
My goodness. Akabo!
Madam.
Akabo!
Madam.
I thought I sent you an errand.
Yeah, I will still go now. Let me just finish this.
What are you doing here?
Chelsea and Bolton.
Akabo! Is something wrong with you?
I will still go for a message now.
Hey!
I watch this match.
Akabo! Akabo!
Madam.
Won't you go to shop?
I will go to the shop now. Let me finish this.
Finish what?
Madam, can't I watch? Don't I even have a free time? Am I in prison?
Akabo! Get up from that bed and go to the shop.
Madam,
Akabo! Come and go to the shop.
Madam,
I'm talking you.
Let me finish this match.
What is wrong with you? Hey! Somebody should come and talk to me. What is happening?
What is happening?
It's your boy. Yes! Come and ask him.
Akabo.
Oga, Chelsea. Chelsea.
What do you mean by Chelsea?
Oga, you're blocking me.
Look at Chelsea.
What is wrong with you?
Hey!
Huh?
By this time of the day, you're still in bed?
Chelsea and Bolton.
Which Chelsea and Bolton? You don't know you should be going to shop by now.
Okay, I'm still going. Let me finish this match.
What is wrong with you?
Why are you still asking him question? Beat him!
You know, my name is Julia.
Hit! Akabo!
Okay, it's okay. Take it easy.
Akabo!
It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry, I'll take care of it.
Are you still looking at Akabo?
It's okay, and I say you should go.
I should go?
Yes, I'll take care of it.
Relax.
Akabo! Akabo! You are looking for my trouble.
Listen.
And I'll give it to you.
It's okay, it's okay.
Just take it from me, I'll give it to you.
It's okay, go.
I'll give it to you.
Don't worry.
Just wait, I'll give it to you.
Oga, cool down. If Oga say.
Oga, waiting you dey do no good. I see you. I get evidence, so I see you. If you don't give me my respect, I see something go come out from my big mouth.
Oga, I've been meaning to call you.
Any problem?
Yes, there's a problem. I noticed that it's like I have a boil here. It's still developing, but I don't want it to, I don't want to shake it too much so that it doesn't develop fast. So I'm even thinking if you can clean the car yourself. Oga, you know I don't know any place in the city. You need to take me around the city so that I will know all the streets, all the nooks and corners and crannies.
Akabo.
So that anytime maybe they are owing us, you can now say go and collect the money from me. It's for your own benefit too.
Akabo, are you out of your mind?
Am I out of my mind? Look, we have an understanding. No? This pali, don't you like this way we are pallying?
Pali, that you asked me to wash the car and take you around the city? I mean, is anything wrong with you?
Okay, madam. Madam. I like the way we are relating now.
No problem.
See, we are relating fine.
No problem.
Let me go.
I get evidence, so I see you. If you don't give me my respect, I see something go come out from my big mouth. I see you.
Darling, what are you doing? Why are you washing your car? Oh. Where's Akabo? Akabo!
No, don't worry. I've not done something like this for a very long time, you know now. So I'm using it as my morning exercise. Yeah.
It's okay. Just that the breakfast is ready.
Okay, it's ready, eh?
Yes.
I'll join you soonest, eh?
No, let's go.
I said, don't worry, I'll join you.
Okay. I'm waiting for you.
It's all right. Oh my God. Look at what I have done to myself. So this son of the devil has successfully turned me into a slave in my own house. What am I going to do now? Should I send him packing? No. It is not an option. What will I tell my wife? And that idiot will definitely tell her everything between me and her sister. I don't enter. Come out no days, you. Hey. If you deliver me from this one, I will never try it again. I swear.
Darling, you're awake. Why are you not sleeping? What is the matter?
My dear, I don't know why some people are so wicked. Could you believe that somebody came and asked me to give him goods worth of millions of naira and promised to pay up in 2 weeks' time? This is a year now. He has not even paid a dime.
What? How come you never told me about this? Who is the person?
It's Madoka.
Madoka?
But I'm going to deal with him ruthlessly. Yes. It's a promise.
Madoka. So you have the guts to do a thing like this and still comes to my house to eat almost every day? Honey, don't worry, okay? I am going to confront him myself.
No, he has promised to pay up. Yes.
Are you sure?
Let me give him benefit of doubt.
Okay. Let's go to sleep.
I'm not complaining. You surprised me. No, it's not as if I'm complaining. You surprised me. You don't come to shop early. You drink in the shop. You now sit on your gas seat. Aka, what if your guy walks in now? What will you tell him?
Does Oga not drink beer in the office?
But he is the Oga.
What is the difference between me and Oga?
The difference is that he's Oga, you are boy. You are still learning.
Me and Oga are pals now.
Your Oga is your pal.
Oh yes, my pally. I'll give you a gist. Put you in line how you are going to be pally with your Oga.
The phone is ringing.
It's my Oga, I don't have time for you.
You don't have time for the Oga. Hey!
Okay, don't worry. Yes. Hello. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm in the shop. But I've answered you here, yes, sir.
Hey.
Did I say yes, sir? I said I'm in the shop. I'm drinking beer. I said I'm drinking beer. Okay, please stop shouting. Stop shouting, man. I have ear problem. Stop shouting so that I can hear you. I whopped the phone.
Hey.
Okay, I whopped the phone. Yes, I've gone mad.
You cut from your Oga.
Pasaro.
Chief Emeka, I don't know what is going on, but have you observed your boy Akabogo recently? That boy is getting out of hand though. Imagine the other day, I saw him sitting in the shop dressed like a chief. Huh? And these days, this boy can be very, 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 very arrogant. Chief, tell me what is going on. Because I know that something is happening. Chief, talk to me. I'm your brother. Talk to me, please.
Chief Ebu, I've been blackmailed.
You? Blackmailed? Impossible. Impossible. That person doesn't know you. To blackmail a whole Chief Emeka in this place? No.
It's alright, calm down.
Calm down when you're being blackmailed?
Calm down.
Huh?
You see, a fly that is dancing, playing, and even acrobaticking in front of a spider's web. Let him beware of the spider's anger.
I hear you.
So, let's go inside. I'll talk to you later.
Madam, what do you think you're doing?
I'm just taking a little bit of this one.
Will you drop that thing and get out of this place?
Madam, you see, there is love in sharing. That's what it is. And I just saw how happy the family is. I wanted to come and become a part of the family instead of staying there alone.
Akabogo, sharing what? I said you should get out of this table.
Okay, you said I should get out.
Allow him.
Thank you.
Just calm down. Let him take. There's nothing there.
Akabogo, what do you think you're doing? I said you should carry this plate of food inside your room. Did you hear me?
It's okay.
But sister, don't you think as one happy family we should be eating together?
Oh, yes. Shut up your mouth.
Yeah.
I demand an explanation. Akabogo, listen, I am the madam of this house and I said you should get out of this table.
Okay, try to get out.
Get out!
It's okay.
Get out at once! Look at him. What is happening? I need an explanation.
What are you doing here?
Where's your camera?
You went out.
Ah! God, I thank you. You went out. Yes, I'm happy now.
What are you doing?
You know it's because of you that I came. Julie, if you see the way I love you, and after that last time, you know, it's like the love is just increasing. I love you so much.
Who do you love?
You. What are you saying? Don't you know I love you? Did I tell you before?
You love me and you've been treating me this way, isn't it?
Okay. Julie, to be honest with you, if I let me just be truthful, it's okay that he's causing this thing. If it was him, let me put it like that. It was him that caused all this. Yes, you know I'm a human being. And I'm eventually going to grow into a man. When you reach this very stage, anything they do to you, you have to fight back as a man. Okay, he kept doing this thing. I just got angry. I didn't mean it to harm you. Julie, honestly, I cannot do anything that will harm you.
Okay. So wait. Are you telling me that you're going to stop all those nonsense you're doing?
Julie, if you see me do it again or hear that I have done, why would I do it now? Yes.
It's not what you think.
Shut up your mouth! Akabo! What are you doing in my sister's room?
It's Julie's room.
What is happening here? Come and see. Akabo! I said, what are you doing in my sister's room?
Madam, I came in here and I saw Julie. Hey!
Akabo, still you've not answered what I asked you. I said, what are you doing in my sister's room?
Madam, it's my turn.
Which turn? Which turn by turn, Akabo? Is this place a motor park?
You know, Madam, it's not only me. We share Julie.
Okay. I want to understand what you are saying, and I'm not getting it clear. Akabok, are you trying to tell me that my husband here is sleeping with my sister? Is that what you're saying?
Madam, I don't know whether they do it sleeping or but it's like I hear noise. At least Oga says one. No, I'm just trying to tell that you know Julie very well. Just like I know Julie very well. Yes. Is it true?
I will explain. Please.
Is it true? Is it true?
Please.
Is it true?
Madam,
somebody help me!
From there. He will explain.
So what brought me here is this man, Akabog, whom you gave me to serve me. He's a Wezeka, and I cannot stay with such a person. So I brought him back for you to give him back to his father. I think I'm okay with him. So if you know where you brought him from, please do send him back there.
Iche, let me tell you, all this talk that they are talking, Ogemeka knows exactly why he's saying what he's saying. He's doing it as if I am begging to come back. I don't want to serve them anymore. Who wants to go back to him? He's doing it as if you tell me that if you're rejecting me. I have rejected. In fact, I resigned before I'm giving that resignation paper. They treat me like rag. Somebody like me. But I'm not a rag. I'm happy that my father has come back. I know all the things Ogemeka is trying to avoid. He doesn't want to settle me. But Ogemeka, let me tell you, when the time comes for you to settle me, you will settle me. Whether you like it or not. There are other people who have made money before you. Let me go and see my father.
Akabog, you can't do anything.
You are not the only person. Ogemeka Onwendi will go before you. Let me tell you.
You are just a Wezeka, Oduonyeduya, and I will not settle you. If you like, let your father be whatever he is.
Papa, I heard that you're back. They told me that you're back.
My boy!
They told me you came back.
You are looking like all the angels in heaven.
It's God, though. It's God.
My, oh my.
It's God.
That's
You're
good,
welcome,
man.
Papa.
Hey, what about your boss? I brought something for him. Your boss, yeah, I've got some gift, you know.
Papa, human beings are not good.
No, normally.
I'm just coming from this and I am back and no more going back there.
What's about?
Papa, if
the worst of yes.
Papa, why is it that those who are something do not want the poor man to grow?
Military tactics, surprise, you know, because these people, our neighbors could be, you know, so don't worry, you better go in. Eh?
Papa, why is it that any...
Go in, I'm coming.
Papa?
They're all jealous, because he wants to make his headway now. Nobody ever knew it was going to be like this. And nobody can tamper with my tail. That is my tail. The lion. Die. No, I don't want to hear that. I say, where is the fool? Where is that fool?
Please.
No.
No, brother, calm down.
What do you mean calm down? How can that nincompoop accuse my own son of such a heinous crime? For God's sake, if I lay my hands on him, I will descend on him like all the devils in hell. Yes.
But in this mood, you develop hypertension, blood pressure, high blood pressure.
What are you talking about? I've had that for a long time, more than 15 years. I'm a customer to it. Yes, I'm still alive. As if I lay my hands on him, I will squeeze him. I will transfer part of
I don't want to lose you now.
I mean, listen, I will kill somebody. Hey. So that is it.
So there is politics in reality.
What are you talking about? High wire politics. High wire. Jesus. For example, I was supposed to be a major 3 years before I was made a major. You see, they cheated me for 3 years. Why? Because an idiot from the Orientals, you know, we call it East, Far East, wanted black men to be carrying load for him and subordinate and said no. I was the first black man to stand against that type of
from Oriental dance band. You know where now? Oriental.
You are very stupid. Oriental is Malaysia, all those areas, Kuala Lumpur and the rest. Yeah, man.
Okay, they are the people they call Oriental.
Thank you.
Now, you know we have Oriental in Owerri.
So they said, and I said no. I slapped the idiot.
The white man?
I was supposed to be court-martialed, but I stood my ground.
You slapped the white man?
Yes, sir. That black is wrong. Yes.
Major can do it.
Yes. But I traversed Sarajevo. I was the first black man to fight in eastern part of Germany and western part. Osuofia. I was jailed in Poland. What are you talking? Look at the mark here. You won't even see it well. So that was what happened.
You're tough. You're tough. Papa, there's another thing that has been confusing me. Let me ask it now. You know, actors they said Major and Sergeant Major. I don't know which one is higher than which. There are even some of those people that they put this big clock on their hand. They say it is rank.
Do you know that you are the one giving your father the impression that all of us don't know anything?
Do you know it? Do you know it?
What are you saying? All those things you need to teach us in primary school, were you not there?
Oh, thank you, my boy.
I used to be. Did they teach you up in military training school?
Let him correct you, my friend.
Okay, tell me.
The difference between Sergeant Major and Major is the Major General.
You are stupid.
Sir?
Stop!
Fool. Look at you. What to answer the question?
I thought you had brains.
I thought the General is...
Go to get away.
Leave Major to answer.
You see,
thank you, sir.
The Sergeant Major. Those are leaders of the lower cadre. But the genesis of their appellation was even before the French Revolution of 1789. These were soldiers under the snow. They were watching the big clock, regimenting it. If we were moving too fast, they bring it back. We were coming too back, they take it this way. So they started giving them this big clock. They regiment the clock. And that clock now is the general.
Oh, is that why they give
the way that clock?
Nobody knows the truth.
He's telling us his experience.
Anything he tells us we take now. Where is the evidence? Who else was there?
My friend, I'm a commander.
Don't tire of those.
Come here. Hey! Where are you?
No, I want to go to my house.
Shut up! Hey, Major is talking. You listen. Who are you?
Can't you go?
Don't be in the compoop.
Shut up!
Shut up! What are you?
Not
talking. What do you mean? How can you say it's going on and Major is talking?
I don't want to go
to India.
I'm not going.
Do you know India?
No plans.
Do you know Punjab?
I won't go there.
Do you know Chakrabarti?
I don't want to go there.
You say what? So that's it, my brother. By the way, our cabs. Bargo. Come here. Yes, education master. That is my son. And Akabogo. Matuli about. This is Dikeh.
Oh, you're welcome.
Yeah, it's our education master around here for us. So he's going to put you through about that proposal for adult term.
Okay, they're not education I'm talking about.
So it's okay. My son dropped at primary 3. Yes.
It's not as if I dropped. Why, Papa? Why you putting shame on my face? No, did I drop? Is it my fault? I did not.
Did you go beyond 3? It
was my fault.
That doesn't matter. You see, you can still be okay. How are you, Akabo?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay, Major, it is really necessary for him to get education.
Yes, of course.
He has to be educated. Otherwise, he can't fit in anywhere. Whether he stopped at 3 or whatever.
Or he dropped.
The same thing. Whatever.
He stopped.
I didn't drop, but no drop.
Don't worry.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Let's offer some cola.
Let me.
Yeah, go and get cola.
No. Thank you.
No.
What of me?
I don't take it.
Nico, I was ashamed. I was shamefaced. You know, yesterday was the first time I attended the class. The moment I entered that classroom, and Miss Rose says, "Okay, fine, I should stand up," she now introduced me as their new classmate.
Okay.
Nico, these people laughed at me.
Why now? Why were you not properly dressed?
Why were properly dressed? What? You know they are just young small people. They felt when they say this person is your classmate, and you look at the person that looks like Methuselah, what will you do? Look what they laughed. It's not a laughing matter. At a stage, you know, some of them were rolling on the floor. I was confused, I was embarrassed. Nico, hey! I was ashamed. It's not a laughing matter. Nico, let me tell you, anything you want to do in life, start it early. Even to have children, start it early. Stop laughing now. Anything. If not, you'll be embarrassed. Oh, it's you. Yes, I am. What's that your name?
Junior Udo.
Junior Udo. Oh, you're a very intelligent boy. I like the way you answer questions in the class. Do you understand? Just keep it up. I like bright boys. But why are you going for this kind of late schooling? Now you are still a young boy. You could still go to a regular school.
Actually, I'm not living with my parents. I'm staying with my uncle who is a businessman. So I help him out in the store. During the evening time, I come for lecture.
Okay, but the man should have put you in regular school. Yeah, why are you leaving this young boy to wait and then go with this approach?
The topography is easy, you know. In the military, you know, when you have a large expanse of land like this, and then you have your APCs around, I'm not personal carrier, and then, but, hello?
Yes,
Akabog, sir. Your father has come to see you.
My boy, how are you doing?
I'm fine, Major.
That's good, that's good. How far are you coping with your studies?
Everything is okay.
Everything is okay?
Yes.
Good. That's good. I came to see how far you are faring.
Oh, Papa, everything is alright.
Everything is alright?
Yes.
He's adapting fast.
That's good, my boy. If you have any problems, don't hesitate, let me know.
I don't know. We are doing a test on history. And I want to go back and I was there near that.
Oh my God, you are wonderful.
You can go back.
That's good, that's good.
Alright.
I'm excited.
I think I have something.
Wait a minute. Akas. Just a little mental question, you know, exercise. What is the capital of Portugal?
Capital of Portugal?
Yes, my boy. Simple question. Portugal.
No, Portugal is the capital. We should be talking of the country.
Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Oh, is that how you have been coping?
No. It's test on. You know, see you here with me, nobody means Uncle, there is this man in our class. He's almost your age. I know you won't believe me.
Not serious. My age in your class. What is he studying for? Memeka, is it possible?
It is possible. Education is a continuous thing. Anybody can go to school at any age. Yes?
Don't worry, next time you come, I will show you the man. His name is Akabog.
I would like to see the person.
Who can tell me who designed the Nigerian flag? Market Taiwo Akinkumi. Yes. Correct. Keep quiet. Second question. Who can tell me who discovered the sea route to India? Auntie.
Vasco da Gama.
Correct. Clap for him. Quiet. The third question. Who can tell me who discovered the North America? Quiet.
Say who?
Discovered North America.
Okay, American.
American. Keep standing. How can you tell me it's an American? Final question. Okay, Junior. Please tell the class who discovered North America.
Christopher Columbus.
Correct. Clap for him. Stand up. Keep standing. Final American.
Nico. Talk to me if you want to talk to me. Which one? You've been smiling, yes.
See, I'm smiling for good. You see this education, adult education that I've entered. Something good is there.
Is that not why you went to register in the first place?
Not in terms of education.
What?
Nico, I met a girl there yesterday. See this girl in the school? Chai. She fine. Fine girl. Fine Okrobeke. See this girl, her name is Sharon.
Aye. Fine name.
They say she's the education master's daughter.
Hey.
Fine girl.
That is a problem.
What problem?
No. That's a big problem. Do you want to be expelled? That man can just drive you away from that school.
Expelled? It's the education matter, not romantic. It is daughter not like your daughter to father.
Is she the only girl in that school?
Why is she different? Why is she different? So leave that thing. I've even written a love letter to a girl.
I beg you, ladies. Who do you want to be? You write love letter. Come on.
It's not as if I wrote it myself. Junior wrote it for me. I've given it to the girl. I'm waiting for it.
Has she read it?
I'm waiting for the reply. Maybe by tomorrow when I go, I'll just go and get her reply.
Please now, help me talk to Junior so that he can write one for me. Let me just hold it. Anytime I see any girl that I like, I submit it.
That is not the way to do it. Stay and watch first. Allow me get this girl with that techniques until you see how I have gone with the girl. Then we can now begin to talk about it. Let's do it turn by turn.
No, see, do not disturb anything. Everybody will be on his lane. You're on your lane, I'm on my lane. Everybody, it won't disturb. Just let him just write it. I will hold it. Once I see any girl that I like, I submit it.
And then go and find your own junior. It's not my junior that's going to write your own. It's everybody on his own lane.
Why are you like this? Something that you can do for somebody, you will not do it. Every time now, if it's me now, you want me to do it for you.
I know you, because next time now, you begin to write letter to the girl.
Dear Sharon, how are you? I hope you are fine. Thank God if you are fine. I'm writing this letter to tell you how much I love you. From the first day I set my eyes on you, I fell in love with you. When I sleep, I dream of you. In anything I do, I dream of you. Sharon, when can we see? Tell me when we can see so that we can discuss. I love you so much, but I cannot stand it. Yours sincerely, Akabog Owakwe.
Miss Rose, please. My wife and I have noticed a very strong negative influence in the life of Gino. So we decided to come to plead with you to help us keep very close watch on that boy.
Alright, don't worry. I'll try my best. For real.
Miss Rose, please, who is Akabog in your class?
Oh, you mean Akabogo? He's the new student in my class and almost the oldest. Hope there is no problem with him.
There's no problem, my dear. I want to know because Gino always talk about him.
Okay, he's the son of Major J.T. Wakwe.
Okay, the retired army major.
Yeah, you're right.
Please, there's something I want to beg you. I don't want the association between Gino and that boy. Please, please. If you do that, I will be very happy.
Thank you.
You're here, I was waiting to see if I can see you go, but I'm trying to go back and check.
I just want to finish this magazine before going home. Yes, I got your letter. It was very funny.
Funny?
Yes, and I like it.
Oh, you like it?
Yes.
I'm happy you like it. I thought you said it's funny.
Oh, Aka, tell me, why are you staying in school at this level?
Let's forget about that. Let's face the major thing. The major thing is I like you, I have this feeling, and I want to see it now. You know, good thing nobody's here. I like you so much. So much that at times this question that you asked now, I got confused because I have not stayed in front of you like this. I stayed in front of you like this. It shakes me, makes me confused. Do you know, since I started coming to this class, the moment I entered this class, and I saw you, I said, yes, this girl will not do this. And this girl in this my class, she will not go.
Serious? But I'm not in your class. I just finished my secondary school, and instead of being at home, you know, I usually come here with my auntie. I'm being bored at home, so.
Okay, you bring your aunt here.
Yeah.
No wonder at times I don't even see you in the class again. At times I see you. Is that the reason? No wonder you don't even answer questions. You don't even attempt anything. Oh, now I understand.
Yeah.
Sharon, you see, just like I keep saying it, and I can't get tired of saying how much I feel for you. I don't know whether you feel anything for me, but I know I feel so much for you.
Yeah, are you sure you really like me?
You're touching me. Look, I don't like you, I love you. And in fact, any day I keep loving you, and loving you, and loving you. And the love continues to increase. I will explode now. Where do you normally follow when you want to go?
The major road.
No. There is an Appian way. It is shorter. In fact, that Appian, I will show you an Appian in an Appian. Yes. That way. You know, it's night. Let me escort you. I can you stay up to this very time. I'm happy. Even yeah, Sharon.
Are you traveling?
Traveling where? Look, my sweetheart is coming to me today. Joe, will you marry me? That girl I told you around. The girl, Sharon. The school. Yeah, the education master. You know, you told me that it was going to be possible. Yeah, I cannot do it. It's risky. It is working. Oh, it's a lot. You don't trust me.
This is good.
See, if you want to do something as a man, hit your chest and do it.
Yes.
I was telling you that time.
Hey. There's going to be a problem.
Problem where?
Oh. There is a problem. Major.
Where? Major did what?
You know, if he sees that girl, you're in big trouble. Let's take her to my house.
Take her to her house.
It's better, yes.
To your house. You are warming up for another man's meat. You didn't go to the hunt with the person. I brought my meat from this and you're preparing the saucer.
Is it not because of you that I'm saying it? Don't you know that when your father comes now and sees her, that's a big problem?
What do you mean? My father will not be here. He's going for a meeting. He will not be here till 8 o'clock. So what's your own? You want me to bring it? Why are you always playing secondary? Can't you play primary? Anything you will do this thing, you come and attach. Are you an attachment?
That's what you should say now. Is it a crime to want to help you?
You are helping me.
I said let's take her to my place so that you can, whatever you want to do there, you can do it there.
Me and you to share her?
No.
That is what you're saying.
No. Okay, no problem.
I don't want you to do this.
No problem.
You know what?
No problem.
Come on, go.
Hey. Oh, will she like this my slippers?
You want me to describe her slippers for you because you're going?
Going to where?
Home.
Can't I stay and at least see her?
What are you saying? Say to see her for what?
Just to know her. I'll greet her.
What are you knowing her? Why would we share someone? What is wrong with you, Nico? Can't you find something on your own?
Can't I ask her to bring her friend for me? What is your problem?
Why must she be the one to bring her friend? Why don't you go to Nkwo and pick any friend?
I hate you. You are very wicked.
I know.
Any small benefit that somebody will get from you, you just what is it?
Which benefit?
Can't I just
How can we share some woman?
Did I say we should share it?
That's what the essence of your staying. You say want to stay. So that you do what?
I'll just introduce myself, then I will beg her to bring her friend for me. You want me to go and just stop her?
Sharon, what's the problem? Are you okay?
No, Dada.
What's the problem?
I'm not to us this morning.
Sorry, eh?
Well, as you can see, your daughter is 3 months pregnant.
What? Pregnant? Sharon, who is responsible for this? Talk to me before I scare you. Who is responsible?
It's Akabo.
Who in God's name is Akabo?
Papa, the son of Major J.T. Uwakwe.
That fool? Oh, Sharon.
I'm sorry.
Why did you stop so long? You are sorry for what?
I'm sorry.
What are you begging me for?
Just like that. What's the problem?
I said, where is your son, Akabog?
Cool down, calm down, calm down, calm down. What's the problem?
What do you mean by calm down? Your son, Akabog, impregnated my daughter, and you are telling me to calm down.
Tibiridi. This is holy. Jesus is Lord. This is uncontrollable. Not allowed. Preposterous. Very lugubrious. Akabogo! Come here. Before I dismantle you. Did you impregnate this girl?
Impregnate?
Impregnate. Did you impregnate this girl?
Sharon, are you pregnant?
Yes. Sacro.
I didn't know.
This is terrible.
Listen and listen good. I don't have time for all this nonsense. Since your son, Akabog, decided to put my daughter in a family way, he must marry her. Period. See, and let me inform you that Aka is expelled from our law school.
That one is possible.
Because we can't condone a character like this.
It's okay, that one is possible. But marrying, you don't write the constitution of the country.
Your wife is here for you.
Okay. You, listen. Were you sleeping when you do you? What does that mean? When were you? Good.
Has she delivered?
Yes. She delivered a bouncing baby boy.
Oh, thank God. How about my daughter?
I'm sorry. We lost her.
Doctor can't say this. What? Have you finished? She did not say that. Doctor, have you seen what?
Papa, good afternoon.
Hi boy, how are you?
Fine.
How is school today?
Fine.
Studies?
Fine.
Sure? Yes. That's my boy. Come. My boy, are you sure you are trashing your books very well?
Yes, Papa.
Very good. Now let me ask you a simple question, my dear. Alright. Which is the tallest mountain in Africa?
Mountain Kilimanjaro.
That's my boy. Now let me look for a tougher one. Good. Where rivers Niger and Benue meet, what is it called?
Confluent.
Where is that?
Loco.
Take my boy. Take my boy. Wait a minute. You are my boy. Wonderful. Take this. Papa. Pursue your books, my dear. Don't be like your father. He's a dropout, he's a nuisance. Yes. You must study well. You will be either a pilot, or a lawyer, or an engineer, or a doctor. Yes, my boy. Come on there. You see? That's good. I was saying, where did that Akabo get this model brains from? And this is God. He's going to take after me in terms of intelligence quotient.
Hey! Major!
What is
Major! Papa, something very, I don't know how to describe it.
What is it?
I say, I went, they said, I have a letter. When I went there, I got the letter. I asked somebody to read it for me. They read it for me. Guess what? Read and smile. Read and smile.
I think you are on your way to jail.
Papa, read it. Okay. When they read this thing for me, I could not believe it myself. Go.
Wait a minute.
Joamo Nza.
Shipo, wait oh. Biao.
Sokola.
Shipo. Hey!
Scholarship. American University.
Hey! You see? What more than 17 million people are looking for? One child has gotten it.
Oh, God knows as his servant is.
Oh, I'm
happy.
Hey!
What is yes, this is scholarship. Scholarship means, according to them, yeah, tuition and books. So, how is going to fly there, live there, eat? You know how costly land is.
Are we the people to pay for those ones?
We are paying more even. But you must get there.
Are we going to steal?
Jesus is Lord. Nobody can dampen my fighting spirit. I say that, in fact, he's already there.
You mean it?
He's already there.
Oga, waiting you they do no good oh. I see you. I get evidence oh. I see you. If you don't give me my respect oh. I see you. Something go come out from my big mouth oh. I see you. Oga, waiting I see the very bad oh. I see you. Madam will not go like this thing no. I see you. If you don't treat me like a fellow big man I see you. I see you. Oga, waiting you they do no good oh. I see you. I get evidence oh. I see you. If you don't give me my respect oh. I see you. Something go come out from my mouth oh. I see you. Oko wara wara eh. Oko wara wara eh. Anya zam zam oh. Anya zam zam oh. Your leg they go wara wara eh. Oko wara wara eh. My eye they see zam zam oh. My eye they see zam zam oh. Oko wara wara eh.